These hot dogs are looking pretty good now.
You ready for our intro video?
Intro video?
Yeah.
I'm the intro video? Cooking jumbos. Oh, that's hot though.
Hey guys, we're out in the middle of nowhere here. We're off-roading, we're fishing, we're cooking.
Chef Ethan over here cooking.
Chef Ethan's cooking. The starter meal for the day. Some Blue Jay juicy jumbos.
I think this is good to go.
Got the ATV out here. Got some music playing. Got some pellet guns.
Huh? Hope you get the key for that.
Keep watching.
Oh, I forgot.
We're gonna have fun.
That. Do you have any movies downloaded?
Yeah, we do. Let's do this. Some thank you too.
Set yours to the full volume. This recording?
Don't go by the lake.
Yep. By the lake?
Don't go over that flooded lake part.
Okay.
So you can go there and come back and whatever, but
yep.
And be careful.
Yep. I can hear it. Did you hear me through the walkie? Okay, well, not the best range then. Holy smokes. Where do you want me to go?
Four-wheel drive.
Where do you want me to go? Down the middle?
Maybe down the middle.
did get sprayed a bunch, but not that bad. That puddle's gonna be deep.
Keep going.
Just open the door.
Grab this door's time.
Nice view.
Best cameraman in the world right here.
Huh?
I'm the best cameraman in the world.
You don't have to do it the whole. Okay, I'm gonna need you to get the floor and Logan to come. Break out the bun so we have crescent rolls.
Oh, we could just skip on
Croissant.
that. See that skip?
Is that mine?
Yeah.
How do you get it off?
Like
Key for yours?
Remember we left them at the same time.
Oh. The key for his open mine? Yeah, I know. We do need that mosquito repellent crap.
This thing?
Yeah.
A thermocell?
No, you just stuck your fingers in there, did you?
No. I stabbed Ethan's multi-purpose knife. Cleans your fish, cuts your toenails, and spreads the peanut butter. Let's see if this starts right up. Huh? On this? He's running mint, boy. No, that's just the brake light. That's on all the time. Oh. Whoop, how much gas do we have? Still. It still says full. Sweet. Tour of camp. We got Sylvia. We got a tent. We have no name for this. Well, Bumblebee. The ATV's name is Bumblebee now? What? Oh, look at that. Look what we got back there. That's a shitter. When did that get there? That's exciting. Because we are about an hour into the bush. Quiet lake. Nice sunset. No smoke up here. Got the forest fires going on near North Bay or something like that. No. Way west and north. We're near Sudbury here. Nipissing. And we just have rain clouds. No smoke.
Get a video of the Chef Ethan.
That's the hot dog sandwich.
With only mustard.
And that there, mustard tiger. We just need to get mustard on him. He's already wearing the cat shirt. That's perfect. Didn't have the parking
You
brake.
braked me, you bought me.
Which way?
I know there's logs that way. I see an eyes. Every 10 feet. somewhere that's narrow.
Well, then what's the fun? Load all 3 pieces up there. I didn't know there's 3. Yeah. Logging.
I tried breathing it out, but I didn't breathe it out enough.
You just
Just
get it in
didn't
your
happen.
mouth because there's a lot of nicotine in it, so it's like if you inhale it, then you're gonna like die.
Yeah, it's just it absorbs through your tongue and cheeks.
Find it.
Way too much.
That goes on the front seat. I don't want it to rust.
You don't have shot glasses, I guess.
No.
You could do it. Is this the first time
Shit, you just walked right into
you've been since he passed?
broke it off.
No, we were here last.
Were you?
But
That
had the cigar.
That was after he
It's
passed?
standing right here, dude.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh,
I was standing there.
I wanted to have the big cigar,
I'm gonna
but
put it like halfway in.
bottle.
I really like the bottle. I just want to finish looking inside.
Well, we could have started the fire with it. I think Uncle Chuck wants a swig.
It's 40%.
No, I
I
already
think-
turned that down.
I
Oh,
think
you
Uncle
have to.
Chuck
We
wants
had
a
it
swig
when we
of
came in.
grappa.
Told them I needed a lot more
It's not even
alcohol
that
to drink
bad.
this
It's
alcohol.
just
Crappa.
definitely strong.
We all tried it.
There's
Yeah.
a massive, like,
Doing this.
something on your
Yep,
left.
yep.
No,
This is
look.
crappa.
This
Grappa.
Like the taste
That's-
is bad,
I've-
but it's
I've
not
had worse.
strong.
You've had worse than that?
I've had a lot worse than that.
Yeah, that's why I told you.
Did you
I
get
don't
stuck
find
in
it
an
that
earthquake
bad.
and had to drink your own
Half
urine?
the stuff Colby gives-
Everybody say goodnight.
Who, me?
It's bedtime, middle of nowhere, and we're gonna watch Blair Witch. And nobody's gonna sleep. We're already hearing noises.
I'll be sleeping nice and comfy cozy.
In the morning. We made it through the night. Wind and rain. Crazy all night. And we'll see how long it stops for.
I'm not video.
Huh? You're not video ready?
I passed it.
Morning,
in
morning.
10 or 20 minutes.
You who?
I passed it in like 10 or 20 minutes.
And you snored the whole night.
Yeah, you were snoring the entire time.
So this is what we're attempting today. We get no food other than these energy bars. We get on Amazon. Or we gotta catch fish. So 24 hours. And some people might bail out on that plan when it comes nighttime and you want your snacks. So, supposed to have one of these every 6 hours. And it can last basically, what, 6 days for one person? So you can crack one open. You crack one open, see what these are shelf stable, last for years, I think. Best before
30 years or something.
2045. Yeah, a lot of years. Are they in another plastic wrap?
Yeah, I think
Ah,
so. I hope so.
yeah,
Looks like plastic.
like the Lego blocks. Well, you don't need to open the second one, I guess. So does that mean we gotta take these out on the boat?
Yeah. Oh, are we gonna be on the boat for 6 hours?
I don't know. Probably not. Straight.
Why does it feel like we've had these before?
I think we had something like this.
Yeah, because this feels a little too familiar.
Yes. Like a Lego block. It's like a giant cracker.
Mm-hmm.
What time is it now? For having one every 6 hours?
It's 7:30.
Is it 7:30?
Mm-hmm.
It's a little dry. Like turns into instant crumbs.
Mm-hmm.
You know what it tastes like? I think you like baby cookies.
Mm-hmm. Not bad at all.
No, it's not horrible. Yeah, it's like a baby cookie.
Need some water with it.
I forget what you call those things. So, one every 6 hours. Gonna drain the boat, take it out, do some fishing. See him? Oh, we got a late start. It's like 7:45, 8 o'clock. Got the boat out, got it started. Motor hasn't ran in 2 years, so that's not an energy drink because we're doing our fasting today. Our cookies, survival cookies.
Well, don't worry, they're still going all over my shirt's still.
All right, we'll come back when we get our first hit.
What color is mine?
I don't know.
I think red.
Blue might be the color. Whoa! Oh, well that helped a little.
It's getting in my drink.
Pliers, Logan.
I can't, I'm trying to.
Grab the hook.
Right
Right here. Hold the camera.
On my drink. You get past the juice.
Settle down and you'll be released, bud.
Jeez, man. Hey, all right.
Settle down.
Settle down, boy.
You're too small. You're going back. Logan. First catch. Logan's bass. How big is it? It is about
12 feet. What are you talking about?
12, 13 inch. What?
I know where you're getting your measurement.
Okay, let's catch you.
Probably caught like 4. 8 horsepower. They're even moving towards us.
Just keep going straight.
Oh,
Not very big. I mean, not a keeper. Not small, but not a keeper. Oh, there you go.
Man, I didn't get mine out.
Chuck's got one. Chuck's got one. He's water skiing. I didn't see a damn thing.
That's good.
I didn't see a damn thing. Fish or snag?
Rub some guts in there. Got down to the tiredness stage.
It is a dreary, misty, rainy day.
I'm doing a behind the back steer.
We got a behind the back steer. We got a sleeper that may or may not fall off the front of the boat. We got a makeshift fishing rod holder because we forgot the rod holders back at the truck. And any minute now, he's gonna catch a fish and have to freak out getting his rod out of there. So let's. fuckers bite. So I have to come this way, go through there and around. Put her in low. No, you don't come up here if you don't like the daddy long legs, because they are everywhere. All kinds of spotters. I don't know what the red means. Well, that one's red and that one's... Yeah. I'll fight a bear, but not a spider.
Can on the ground sideways.
You hit it.
I hit it?
Mm-hmm.
Where was it? On the left side of it?
Oh, fuck, I don't know. I can't see that far.
Sometimes it's
Always will be always.
But that's a solid size.
That's a bass.
Whose line is right here?
Mine. Get him away from my line. Oh, there.
Mine's bigger.
Sam. Just, that's one way to do it. Bunker bail. Okay, how do you do this without him flipping the hell out? Pliers?
What noise are pliers actually?
They're in my tackle box in the front. Do that way.
You gonna hold him? Picture?
Walking around the tackle box.
He got me with his fin. You could eat this.
We are.
Are we? Yeah. It's not huge. Great Ryan. Like
Whose is bigger?
Mine, 100%.
Size, do that thing. No, you did that. You did that. Come on.
I did that, and then I did that. Ready, ready.
Another one. Is Timothy bigger, or is, what are you naming this one? Johnny.
What?
Johnny.
Danny. What?
Ooh.
This thing's actually size. Keep yours too.
What?
Keep yours.
Two for dinner? We'll catch a bigger one. That's enough for eat, and then
Pass it back in.
Well,
Whoa!
if he wants to stay, I guess.
I guess he's staying. Are you serious? You see that?
You gotta set that
No.
hook.
Look at my thing. There's bait.
that is the smallest perch I've ever caught in my entire life.
I'd keep that as bait.
He is like the size of my finger. Yeah, he's staying on there for bait now. He's hooked pretty good.
Yeah, it's like... Oh my god.
That is a bucket mouth. That is a bucket mouth.
Catch it.
Jeez. That is, can you fit your fist in it?
Almost.
Yeah, that's nice. Dang. We
Fucking
got
just hit and went straight underneath.
we got
the fucking boat,
we
man.
got one
I
here.
got one of those too.
That's his twins.
You want to eat?
All right, guys, so honest review of this stuff. Could you live on it? Yes. You definitely could live on it. Never mind the dirty fingernails from digging worms apart and everything else. But would you want to live on this? Not so much. Tastes good. It's got enough calories. If you're, it's definitely you need to supplement. It's going to be a long-term solution. But in an earthquake, tornado sort of emergency, can't get anywhere, definitely worth it. Because these last for, what is it, 25 years or something? 20 years. So, good to have in case of emergency. Yep, you could definitely do it. So, but would I get some different MREs? I'd probably have this and some MREs or some other stuff. Emergency rations. And there is what's inside. So 1 fiber, not a lot. No cholesterol, 33 carbs. And that's in each bar. So 33 times 4 for the day. And 9 times 4 for the day fat. Apparently it's got a lot of saturated fats. But that's my review. Comes in this tin. You can get them in packages and all kinds of different things, and it's good. I like how they're individually wrapped, and they're also individually wrapped per day. So then you're not exposing them if you only need to use a couple, because we're not going to use all these today. It was just an experiment to see how we could do, and it's fairly filling, but we did catch a fish. We're going to fry that up. And Ethan caught it, and he's going to cut it up for the first time and fry it up. Do we trust the Ethan, Logan? Is there going to be bones in it?
Bones, and it's gonna be raw.
It's going to be raw? I don't know about raw. I won't let it be raw. But...
It's,
All right,
it's
guys.
gonna be unedible. So.
All right, we'll be back.
This is a nice stack.
Fam's getting firewood. And we got ramen and oatmeal going on. Anybody else's kitchen looks like this? Wonder what the rich people are doing today. Right, Logan?
What?
Wonder what the rich people are doing today. Somebody will comment that.
I wonder if that's changed after the rain.
All night long rain.
Oh, 100% it did.
That was crazy rain. We were pretty protected under the tree.
That's what I was saying. We should go more under the tree.
Camp Katie on the menu.
Yep.
Try not to get sand in it.
That good?
How much you got in it?
Almost in the black one.
We can always get more.
Jesus, why we got 9 cans down there? What are we planning on doing?
So you stick that in there, really tight, hard. Is it all the way in?
Both
Let me see.
One here.
Okay, hold this. Bring it over the Jeep. Hang it from there. Oh, geez, you did fill that thing up.
Told you.
You can let it hang.
Hold.
Let it hang. You can unclip that and clip it around the steel thing.
Just don't touch it too much.
Container. Set it on here.
Is it automatically dripping right now?
You gotta just unclip this.
There's little weights to put on
back there.
Yeah, there's weights here for your cards, guys, if you need.
Oh, it's dope. These things.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just using regular chips.
I'm just holding my hand. All right, I will call.
Is there an ace?
Well, I had fun while it
The
lasted.
game is being called upon on
Dude, 2 jacks.
too many damn mosquitoes.
Yeah. Where's
Gonna
the bag?
Yeah, just take the other stuff off, and we'll just take it. Pick the.
No, we're not. I can't see a single thing. Okay.
It hasn't burned through that log yet.
That's what I mean. Like.
The
You got the round one?
rain all night.
Become a fire spitter. Freaking suck back the drop button.
Oh, screw that.
You totally should do that. Take
even
a
wanna
swig,
think
see
of
if it
that.
goes. What is the percentage in that?
40.
Do it, man.
The moon's brightening it up too much and it's making the stars go away.
Yeah. Fires doesn't want to keep lit. We see the moon, and we can see the stars. Can't see it down here, but what, Ethan? Lung capacity?
Blew all the air I had in my lungs.
I'm just
I am calling it a night.
360 no scope here.
See you in the morning. All right, guys, we're leaving soon. Just making some bacon and eggs, and we caught some fish. And it's finally a nice sunny day. We'll get some drone footage of getting out of here. But that's it. It's pack up time. The fun cleanup pack up. So let's just start. Look at that, a little hole here.
My sweater is what I'm gonna be.
spoke stuff. Jeep. Look at that rig. Water. ATV. Full tank. Just got gas in my hand.
So just pull up here, wait for a little.
see it?
No. See?
Is there not anything you can do to find it?
Find
Like,
my drone.
huh?
Find my drone. Staying that way.
Okay.
Might have returned to base. Get up. Get up. Come on, we gotta get going.
Go, 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 go. Oh my god.
Go, 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 go.
Go, 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 go. Park. How far is the push?
Stop. Go forward.
Push the thing down for me.
What?
Not take it off now. Okay.
Go back, go back. Okay, forward.
Okay, go.
That's where it took off. It's not too far away back from the regular camp.
Yeah.
Got enough room back there?
Oh yeah.
Okay, let's do this.
It's bumpy, man. I know. How fast are you going?
Everything that was in the back is in the front seat now.
What?
Everything that was in the back seat's in the front seat now. Hey guys, all done. Good weekend. And I am exhausted. And I hope you enjoyed watching the show. Appreciate you guys. And hopefully, I know it's totally different than what I normally do, but hopefully you like it. And any questions, let me know. Put them below. Got some good drone footage. I might make another extra video of the ATV driving and drone footage because it's pretty cool up there. But totally exhausted. And thanks to that beautiful woman. I had this waiting for me when I got home. And it's much needed. And a shower. And a proper bed. Alright guys, have a great day, great weekend. Peace.